afternoon, guys. Fabo the Fabulous here from Life in the Woods. I will be making a few videos about life in the woods, wood chopping. We're gonna trim some wood. The chopping season is soon starting, so we gotta sharpen our tools, our chainsaw, and so today from the shed we're gonna be doing some chainsaw sharpening. I got this fantastic old Stihl vintage chainsaw that we had in my family for a very long time. I think this is a very good piece of a kit. Still works fantastically, never miss a bit. And man, I don't even know how old it is, this Stihl. Let's see if it says what model it is. I gotta give it a little clean. It's quite dirty. Stihl 08S. So if you know more than me about this thing, how old it can be, and a bit of history of Stihl chainsaw, let me know in the comment section below. So we're gonna give it a good clean and a bit of a sharpening a little bit the chain. Need a little bit of sharpening, but first of all a good clean up. So let's get some petrol, some stuff to clean. Yeah, get a bit of petrol, a little brush, and we're gonna give it a good clean up. It's a great piece of kit. I love this vintage stuff, and we had it in our cellar for a few years, and I think we used it last year, a couple of years ago. We used it. It's perfect. It's just a little heavy, but you know, it depends what sort of work you need to do. Let's see, a little brush, little clean up to bring it back to life, shining again. Tomorrow we give it another test. Alright, bring this beast back to life, nice and clean. Oh, the chain is still, I think we just replaced it a couple of years ago just to try it again, so it's still fine. Now we're gonna give it a try tomorrow, see how sharp it is, how well it cuts. Anyway, we're gonna bring this baby back to life. So if you like this kind of stuff, a bit of tree work, a bit of chainsaw equipment, life in the woods, making things, a bit of bushcrafting, things like that, you're welcome to like and subscribe. From Fabo, the Fabulous Outdoors. See you next time.